Hello, my name is Vera Prytkova. I'm a research and application scientist at CCDC. In this video, I'm going to tell you about automatic genetic algorithm search options in GOLD. The criteria used by GOLD to determine the optimal GA parameter settings for a given ligand include the number of rotatable bonds in the ligand flexibility, meaning the number of flexible ring corners and flippable nitrogens, the volume of the protein binding site, and the number of water molecules considered during docking. The exact number of GA operations contributed for each rotatable bond in the ligand are defined in the GOLD parameters file. When using ligand-dependent settings, the search efficiency can be used to further control the speed of docking and the predictive accuracy of the results. You can use the slider here to change the search efficiency options. With the search efficiency set at 100%, GOLD will attempt to apply optimal settings for each ligand. For a ligand with 5 rotatable bonds, this will be around 30,000 G operations. If the search efficiency were set at 50%, then GOLD would perform around 15,000 operations, thereby speeding up docking by a factor of 2, but the search space would be less well explored. Similarly, by setting a search efficiency greater than 100%, it is possible to make the search more exhaustive but slower. The following search efficiency settings are available by clicking the corresponding button. Very flexible, this setting the search efficiency at 200% and is recommended for large, highly flexible ligands. This setting delivers high predictive accuracy but is relatively slow. Default, this setting search efficiency at 100%. Virtual screening, this sets the search efficiency at 30%. This setting is suitable for routine work and usually gives comparable predictive accuracy to the slower settings unless the ligand has a large number of rotatable torsions. The ensemble option sets the search efficiency at 75% and it is recommended for ensemble docking. And the library screening option sets the search efficiency at 10%. This is the fastest setting and as a consequence is the least reliable. To ensure that every ligand is subjected to at least a user-specified number of operations, enable the Min options checkbox and specify the minimum number of operations required for every ligand. Similarly, the maximum number of operations to be carried out can be set manually with the Mac options checkbox. Thank you for your attention.